Have you ever tried to equalize and only one ear pops? Or your ear is very tight and it takes a long time to equalize? Or you hear a squealing sound whilst trying to dive underwater? Then this video is for you. This is what we call tight eustachian tubes. My name is Dan Parsons. I'm a freediving instructor trainer and owner of Freediving Central. This channel is all about the tips, tricks, and all the fun stuff and everything you need to know about freediving. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix your tight eustachian tubes. Get those ears popping. Before we start, I'll just add that I am not a doctor or an ear, nose, and throat specialist. However, this trick was given to me by an ear, nose, and throat specialist. If you've recently had a cold or you're feeling blocked up, then this video is not for you. Did you know that when we equalize, it's not always a pop sound that we're looking for? It sometimes sounds like a wet sound or like air passing through a tube. Our eustachian tubes are located at the back of our throat, and they are the auditory tube that connects the ears to the back of the throat. Our eustachian tubes are a mucous membrane lined tube, which means that they're wet and always stuck together. When we equalize using the Frenzel equalization technique, we are pushing air with our tongue into the nasal cavity, and whilst we're pinching the nose, this then causes the eustachian tubes to part and allow the air to flow through to the middle ear. If you're not sure how to do the Frenzel equalization, you could check out this video above. As our eustachian tubes are full of elasticity, this means that they can be pushed and pulled under pressure. And of course, you guessed it, they can be stretched. For instance, I've had scans taken of my face and all the tubes, including the sinus passages on the right side of my face, are substantially smaller than the left side. If I ever have any equalization issues, it's always the right side, and this means that we have a dominant side and a non-dominant side. Firstly, what we're going to do is sit up nice and straight. We're going to do this in 5 steps and 5 levels, meaning levels of strength, and we're going to get slightly stronger every time. Each level is a constant pressure, and we'll always hold for 10 seconds at a time. I want you to pinch your nose, and we're going to do a long, constant equalization just using the Frenzel equalization technique. I can't stress enough, we do not want to be feeling any pain at all during these exercises. If you feel pain, this is your body telling you that there is an issue. Now, starting with the level 1 stretching, we're going to take a breath in and perform a nice light equalization lasting for 10 seconds, holding the same amount of pressure the whole time. Let's do it together. Take a breath in, pinching the nose, what you'll feel is a nice amount of pressure, hopefully equally being pressed against both ears. Next, we're moving on to the level 2 stretching. We're going to take a breath in and perform a slightly stronger equalization, holding the exact same pressure for the 10 seconds. Let's do it together. Once again, we're going to feel a nice even pressure across both ears. Please make sure that we're not feeling any pain at all during these exercises. Moving up to level 3, this is a firm equalization. And once again, holding for the 10 seconds, but slightly stronger than the last. We'll do it together. Breath in. You're going to start to feel your ears moving. You may even have felt some air pass through to the tighter ear. This is all good. We are slowly stretching the eustachian tubes. All right, moving on to level 4 stretching. Again, slightly stronger, and of course, no pain. We're going to hold it for 10 seconds. All right, level 5. This stretch is strong, all right? But remember, we don't want to feel any pain at all. If you feel pain, you're pushing too hard. Let's do it together. For me personally, if I haven't dived for quite some time, this exercise is something that I'll do. I'll do in the week leading up to when I'm going diving. I will do 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes in the afternoon. And I'm just slowly building up pressure and releasing. Slowly building up pressure and releasing. It's not about feeling maximum pressure or feeling any sort of pain. It's slowly building on it. We've been using this exercise for years now with our clients and our students, and we've had fantastic results. Please let me know in the comments below how it went for you. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video when we dive into the top 5 equalization tips for beginners.